I take this as an honor to stand in front of all of you, and I would like to say a few words on Independence Day. Before that, my heartfelt thanks for this YouTube channel for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. The day 15th August is a memorable day in our history. It marks the beginning of a new era in the history of India. This day is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm because on this day the country became free from the centuries old harsh chains of slavery. Then India became a sovereign state and started to be considered as the largest democratic country of the world. On the midnight of 14th August 1947, the British government handed over its rule into our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He hoisted the national flag of India and India was declared free.
Been under the British rule for nearly 2000 years. The British, who came to India as traders, entertained political ambitions and step by step they occupied India, exploiting the dissensions that were raging among the native princes and potentates. The British government enriched themselves by exploiting Indians who were steeped in the morass of ignorance, fear, poverty, and misery. They brought raw materials like cotton to India, took them to England, and sold their finished product in India at exorbitant prices. In this manner, they converted India into a market. This led to economic backwardness in India. The English government adopted many other measures which made Indians miserable. Of time, Indians became aware of their predicaments. The education that the English government gave to Indians with the selfish motive of securing assistance for the administrative machinery brought about an intellectual awareness among the Indians. This was a result which the English probably had not anticipated. At any rate, immediate leaders emerged and began their historic struggles for independence. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and other great leaders fought for Indian independence. Moreover, thousands of Indians laid down their lives in their struggle for independence. After a prolonged struggle involving the inordinate suffering of Indians, independence was achieved. After achieving independence, India became a democratic country and set up their own representative government. Therefore, the achievement of independence was a historic event. It is necessary that we should celebrate this event every year. It is necessary that we should remember the great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and other great leaders secured independence for India. Moreover, while celebrating this event, we have to remind ourselves of our duties as a citizen of this great country. The Independence Day is a national celebration and all should celebrate it, realizing the full significance of this celebration. After all, I wish you a happy 73rd anniversary of Independence Day and thank you. Have a nice day.